Hello, Stampers. Kelly Acheson at AStampAbove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to give you all the deets on the Easter Joy Suite Collection. It is a brand new offering from Stampin' Up! From the January through April mini catalog. And oh my goodness, cuteness overload. We have an adorable Easter stamp set as well as coordinating dies. We have gingham ribbon. Bring me back some gingham. We have some cute embellishments that go with Easter, as well as count them, two different specialty papers, and it's all color coordinating. So let's flip the camera around. I'm going to show you some great details. I've also got some fabulous samples to share with you. I can't wait to get started. Good grief. Total cuteness overload. This collection is featured in our new mini catalog on pages 34, 35, 36, and 37. It has a whole bunch of products included here, and I am going to go through each one of them and give you the details that I know about them. So let's get started. I'm going to bring in, oh my gosh, all this cuteness. So first of all, this Easter Joy Suite collection kicks off with an adorable stamp set. There are 12 different images in here, including 4 different sentiments. One of them is Hello Spring, which I absolutely love, and For You, which can take you away from Easter if that's not what your focus needs to be for the project that you're creating. Next up, we have these amazing dies. These are the Easter basket dies. There are 15 different elements to this set of dies, and I'm going to be going over the details with you in just a moment. We're going to pop over to the Easter assortment. These little embellishments are so cute. We've got some lemon lollies, some balmy blue, and some little checkered Easter eggs in here. There are 100 embellishments on this card. We also have some 1/4-inch balmy blue gingham ribbon. I always love a gingham ribbon. This roll comes with 10 yards. And then kind of the showstopper is the Easter Joy Specialty Designer Series paper. And I hope you can see in the light that this has a gloss to it. Not only that, but we have metallic features in this printed Designer Series paper. So I thought I would bring you the big paper so you can really see how pretty this is. We've got this gorgeous stripe here. Some pretty flowers, bright, cheerful. We've also got some Easter eggs and some carrots thrown in there. We have this fun pattern. More flowers with a balmy blue background. You can see the foil look in that paper. How about some checkerboard with some little flowers? And then a whole page of Easter eggs with some tiny flowers. Now the back of this paper does not have the foil accents on it. We've got some crumb cake with some flowers, a different pattern of checkered paper, plaid. We've got some more flowers, kind of a muted tone. And then we've got these bunnies, baskets, carrots, little chicks, wheelbarrows full of carrots, flowers, Easter eggs. So cute. Some more crumb cake. And this looks like a basket weave. So that's pretty cool, especially when we have a basket in the dies. And then this fabulous paper. Now, this is on the background of one of the checkered patterns, but we've got these panels that are just the right size to go on a card front if you choose to use them that way. They're kind of building a scene here. We have a floral frame around this one. Great place to put a little bunny up on here, maybe a little basket. I always love it when we have the option to use scenes like this. Also included in the suite is the fabulous Pleasant Patterns Specialty Designer Series paper. Wow, right? Definitely has that metallic feature in it. We have this pattern, and we have these beautiful kind of iridescent pink flowers. This paper is only one-sided, whereas the other paper, the Easter Joy specialty paper, is double-sided, but these are only one-sided. You get 2 sheets of each of 3 patterns for a total of 6 pages in the Pleasant Patterns Designer Series paper. The Easter Joy specialty paper has 6 different patterns that are double-sided. You get 2 of each for a total of 12 in there. I always like to make up my little DSP samplers. These are something that I bring out when I get ready to design with designer paper. I love that I have listed up here the colors that color coordinate with this as listed on the back of your designer series paper packs. So we've got balmy blue, crumb cake, lemon lolly, peach pie, pretty in pink, and shy shamrock that are the base colors that coordinate with the designer series paper. Now I'm going to bring in the set of dies here. There's a lot of really cute elements happening here. And I always like to kind of make up a little die cut template. You can see here that we've got bunnies, carrots, Easter eggs, a little chick, another little bunny, and flowers that are all framelits that go with the images that are in the Easter basket stamp set. Some of the other items that aren't included in the stamp set is a really cute bow. We've got a daffodil with a stem here, as well as a little sprig of grass. We've got a border that can go on our basket. We've got the little stripes that you can weave into the basket here. Some really fun features. Oh, and a little tulip top that can go on the flower. It's meant to layer over top of this daffodil. So you can easily make that a different color of cardstock. So I wanted to show you how this basket works because I find it is really fun and easy. So what I've done here is I've taken the basket die and I've die cut a crumb cake basket. And then I took this die, which is all the stripes that you can weave through the openings on the basket. Once you die cut that, this is what's left over. You get all these little strips of paper. So you can do a little basket weaving if you choose. Now I've got the pretty in pink here. I've also got some balmy blue and some lemon lolly. So just to show you how easy this is, your die will cut the openings in the basket and you're just going to push them. And I'm using my left hand to kind of manipulate and open those slots up. And you can see how easily this strip goes through here. Let's see if I can get that over far enough here to bring it into this last little piece. So when you do this, there we go. I'm going to push it. It goes over the edges just a little bit. And then you're going to just slide it up and feel like a basket weaver, right? So then the next one, we started on the top of this strip. We're going to start underneath. And it's easier if you bring it down just a little, just a little bit further, not try to get it in here to get it started right away. But we're going to weave down just a little bit further. Just keep going here. Whoops, do your basket weaving. And one thing that makes it a little bit easier is try not to bend this, because once you bend it, it gets a little bit harder to keep pushing it through there. You can turn it over, see how close you're getting to that next opening, kind of pop that in. We're already at the next one here. Just keep going. There we go. And we're going to slide that one through. Now you can put as many stripes in here as you would like. I'm just going to push this up. And then we would do the yellow one, and you can keep going with the colors. And then trim off those ends just like this. Oops, let me see if I can get in there close enough. There we go. And what you will end up with is a bunch of little stripes in your basket. And I just think this is super cute. Lots of fun things to do there. Bring in some samples. Here's a cute little card that I made. I colored my bunny with some Stampin' Blends. Use the ribbon here, and then of course those cute little embellishments, the Easter assortment. Fun little card. And then here is a swap card that I got. Love the little grass here and the carrot, right? They cut the little bunny arms out so that carrot would fit in there. Super cute. One more here. That designer series paper looks so nice here with the flowers stamped. Absolutely adorable. Then I've got this adorable little box that I made. One of the things I noticed when I was scoring this designer series paper, this specialty paper, that when you score it, it's got a silver lining. So that score line actually made silver edges on it, which I think is really cool. Fun little box. And then I made a little treat holder out of the Easter basket by putting 2 Easter baskets together with a little box in the middle. Isn't that fun? I can't hardly wait to make a bunch of these. And then I wanted to make sure that you know, when you go to our online store and you type in the search Easter Joy, the Easter Joy suite will pop up. When you type in Easter basket, you will see options for the stamp set and the dies, a bundle, or you'll see options for either or. When you click on the stamp set or the bundle, you're going to see a whole bunch of samples in the left-hand column. So I'm going to share those samples with you here right now because they are definitely adorable. How about that one? They did some basket weaving. I love those flowers in the basket. They put the little bow on there. Here's one of the scenes from that specialty paper. Super cute. If you tend not to like to color things in, you can see that they did not color the bunny or the chick. So you can definitely use the line art without coloring. Here's another cute little bunny, just colored the ears and the nose. Love that. Used the eggs and the flowers in the background on there. And then we've got the chicks and the bunny, a chocolate bunny in the little Easter baskets. And they didn't do the weaving, but you can see they do have the border on the basket with the bow. Here again is just a really cute daffodil card using the dies. And here's another one of those scenes in the background from the designer series paper. Easy to build scenes when you have backgrounds like that. Here's a little basket. They've got the grass in there, which is super cute. And then how about this one? That one's just filled with all kinds of goodies for Easter. And then the last sample that they share is this adorable little egg carton that they made some grass for. and put all kinds of goodies in there. Cut out some ovals from the designer paper to do the Easter eggs. So, sweet collection, lots of great opportunities for all kinds of Easter goodies. Stampin' Up! Sweet collections are designed with complete product coordination in mind. Every piece of a suite looks great together. All you have to do is add ink, cardstock, and adhesive, and you can make some of these charming little projects. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this suite as much as I do. My head is swirling with so many different ideas. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Always happy to help. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Easter Joy Suite collection. Bye bye.